You've had challenges. You were in the media. There's a lady that came out and accused you of some stuff. How do you handle that as a couple?
Man, you know,
so many things have tried to break you guys up.
Yeah, sometimes when you wanna comment, wanna say something, because and you're like, hey, but I'm not gonna stoop to that level, manja, where I'm not supposed to go. And the best way to handle this is to let the law take its course. You know. Okay. And as I'm speaking to you, our matter is going to be heard on Friday at the High Court.
This Friday?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. So we just let the law take its course so that they can be able to help us through, because yes, sir.
And I think just to add on to that, Tina, what we've noticed, it's become a trend that over the years we've really we've started to recognize. You know, every time we're working on something very big, something comes. Every time, it's always, I was telling him that I'm like, why when we are working, there's a lot of big things we're working on now. And I think 3 days after we spoke and we were like, okay, this is what we're going to do, because now stars are aligning. This happens. So it's like every time you're working on something big, something must pull you, you know, a few steps back. And unfortunately, we want to call it the algorithm with AI, because that's what it looks like in our lives, man. Yeah, it's something we've learned to accept. It's something we've, you know, accepted. I don't think I personally have anything against Sisulu. I know her very well. I was around, and on the specific day that she's talking about, I was also around. So it's okay. It's okay.
So you were the witness?
No. Angazi mhlambe mina I was in the studio.
But
she
you
was
around,
in my house.
Yeah,
but I was you know.